Hi kids, let's learn about ocean animals.
It's a whale.
Whale.
Wow, that's a beautiful sound. Let's spell it. W-H-A-L-E. Whale.
Whale. Let's spell it. W-H-A-L-E. Whale.
It's a shark.
Shark.
Whoa, sharks are so scary. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. But this shark seems friendly.
Shark. Let's spell it. S-H-A-R-K. Shark.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Let's spell it. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish.
Starfish. Let's spell it. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish.
Let's see our next card. It's a lobster.
Lobster.
Let's spell it. L-O-B-S-T-E-R. Lobster.
Lobster. Let's spell it. L-O-B-S-T-E-R. Lobster.
Let's see what's on the other side.
Crab.
It's a crab. C-R-A-B. Crab.
Crab. Let's spell it. C-R-A-B. Crab.
Next off, we have octopus.
Octopus.
Octopus has 8 hands. Let's spell it. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus.
Jellyfish.
It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Let's spell it. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish.
Let's see what's next.
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Let's spell it. T-O-R-T-O-I S E. Tortoise. It's a
dolphin,
dolphin. Let's spell it. Dolphin. Dolphin.
Dolphin. Let's spell it. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin.
Next off, we have seahorse.
seahorse,
Let's spell seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse.
Seahorse. Let's spell it. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse.
Hi friends! Thanks for watching Playtime with Mustafa. If you had fun, please like this video. And don't forget to share it with your friends. And subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!